Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Litchi Mojito. This refreshing drink is perfect for any occasion. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh litchis, a handful of vibrant mint leaves, and 2 lime wedges. Don't forget your white rum, simple syrup, and some sparkling club soda. Having your muddler and a tall glass ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the foundation of our mojito's flavor. Place about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves and 2 lime wedges into your sturdy tall glass. Gently muddle them together, just enough to release their aromatic oils without tearing the mint. Next, add your 6 to 8 peeled and deseeded litchis. Lightly muddle the litchis to extract their sweet, tropical juice, blending beautifully with the mint and lime. With our muddled flavors ready, it's time to add the liquids. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum into the glass. For that perfect balance of sweetness, add 1 ounce of simple syrup. This combination creates a delightful base. Now, fill your glass generously with crushed ice. The crushed ice not only chills your drink quickly, but also helps to integrate all the wonderful flavors. Almost there. To complete your Litchi Mojito, top it off with approximately 4 ounces of crisp club soda. This adds a refreshing fizz that perfectly complements the sweet and tangy flavors. Give your drink a gentle stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. Finally, for a beautiful presentation, garnish with a fresh litchi and a vibrant sprig of mint. Enjoy your homemade, delightful Litchi Mojito.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.